Are you ready to save money effortlessly? In today's video, we'll share 10 simple hacks that can make a big difference in your everyday spending, so you can save without feeling the pinch. Dining out can be tempting, but cooking at home is one of the easiest ways to cut costs. Make it fun. Experiment with recipes and meal prep for the week to save both time and money. Impulse buying adds up quickly. Before heading out, make a list and stick to it. This one small habit can save hundreds over time. Using cash instead of cards makes you more aware of your spending. When the cash runs out, you'll know it's time to stop. How many subscriptions are you actually using? Check your accounts and cancel the ones you rarely use. It's like giving yourself a raise. Generic brands often have the same quality as big-name products, but at a fraction of the price. Give them a try, you might not even notice the difference. Standby power can drain your wallet. Unplug devices and switch off unused lights to cut your electricity bill. Before shopping, check for coupons or cashback offers. Apps like Insert Popular App Name can help you save money on things you're already planning to buy. Why hire someone when you can do it yourself? From fixing minor repairs to creating decor, YouTube tutorials are your best friend for saving money. Off-season shopping is a goldmine for deals. Think ahead and snag items like holiday decor or clothes when demand is low. Thinking of a big purchase? Wait 30 days. Often you'll find the urge fades, and you've saved yourself some serious cash. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple hacks, you'll build better habits and watch your savings grow over time. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more everyday hacks.